Hey y'all, at a virtual showing today, I wanted to talk a little bit about the real estate market in Summit County. Right now, median price is sitting at about 950,000, and that's actually up almost 5% from 910,000 back in the middle of this year. So, while all the news out there is saying that real estate prices are falling, it's just not the case here in Summit County and likely won't ever be that way. Reason being, we have a lot of savvy real estate investors, primarily a second and third home market for business owners around the world, and they will never sell at a discount. So you might see a lot of price reductions, and you're thinking, well, doesn't that mean prices are dropping? Not really. It's overeager sellers who are overpricing their property, and buyers are just bringing them back down to reality. Now, I certainly wouldn't let this deter you from trying to negotiate for a better price. I, for one, am looking at investment condos with my fiance, and we're not going to pay top dollar for something if the numbers just don't pencil. So I would be using this time to try to probe around and ask as many questions as possible, because there's a 1 out of 1,000 chance that a seller has other motivating factors besides price. Maybe they have to move. Maybe they're relocating for a job. Maybe they just had kids. I mean, who knows? There's so many things out there right now that I would use to negotiate for better terms. And the only way you're going to find that out is by asking those questions and continually lowballing sellers to get that conversation started. Don't cave in. Don't give them top dollar if the numbers just don't work and you're looking at it for an investment property. Now, that's great for savvy real estate investors. However, if you're a business owner, you're financially stable, and you don't care about price, you care more about the value that a property brings, then don't worry about that stuff. What I would say to you is buy the property of your dreams in a vacation area like Summit County, where you love to ski, you love to snowmobile, you love to hike, you love the mountains, and in 7 to 10 years, that property is certainly going to appreciate. And I say this because I'm basing it off historical data. For the last 30 years, properties have continued to appreciate here in Summit County, and they only ever went down once in 2010, and they only went down by 4%. So if real estate prices don't go down in a major recession like 2008, then what are the chances they're going to go down in the next 7 to 10 years?